If your mic is not working on your Windows 11 PC or laptop, it can be really frustrating. Maybe your friends cannot hear you in a call or your voice recordings are completely silent. This problem happens to a lot of Windows users. In this video, I'll show you simple and easy methods to fix your mic and get it working again. Step 1. Check sound settings. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on System and then click Sound. Scroll down and look for the input section. Here you should see your microphone. Make sure it is selected as the default input device. Step 2. Check microphone properties. Click on your microphone to open its properties. Here you can quickly check a few things. First, make sure the audio access option is set to allow so Windows and your apps can use the mic. Then check the audio format. Keep it on a standard option like 2-channel 16-bit 48,000 Hz. Next, adjust the input volume slider and make sure it is not too low. You can also use the Start Test button to speak and see if Windows can record your voice. At the bottom, keep the microphone audio processing mode on default for best results. After this, check your mic once and see if it is working now. Step 3. Check More Sound Settings. Now, go back to the system from the left-hand sidebar and go to Sounds again. Scroll down a little and click on More Sound Settings. A new window will open. Go to the Recording tab, select your microphone and click Properties. Go to the Levels tab and make sure the volume is turned up. If the mic is muted, unmute it and adjust the level to a higher value. After saving these changes, test your mic again and see if it is working now. Step 4. Check microphone privacy settings. Go back to the main settings window and click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and click on Microphone. Make sure the option Microphone Access is turned on. Also check that the option Allow apps to access your microphone is enabled. Below that, make sure the apps you use like Zoom or Teams are also allowed to use the mic. After enabling these settings, check your mic again. Many times the problem gets solved here. Step 5. Update or reinstall drivers. If your mic is still not working, update or reinstall the drivers. Updating the drivers manually can be time-consuming. Here is where Advanced Driver Updater comes in. Advanced Driver Updater is a powerful tool that automatically scans your PC for outdated or missing drivers and updates them with just a few clicks. You can download and install Advanced Driver Updater from the link given in the description. After installing, simply open the program and click Start Scan. Advanced Driver Updater will quickly identify any outdated or missing drivers, including your microphone drivers. In the scan results, you'll see a list of drivers that need updating. Click Update All to update your drivers to the latest versions automatically. Advanced Driver Updater ensures that all your drivers are up to date. When the updates are complete, restart your computer and test your mic again. Step 6. Check the mic port. Finally, if you're using a wired microphone, plug it into a different port and check if it works there. Sometimes the port itself can be the issue. And that's it. One of these solutions should get your mic working again on Windows 11. If this video helped you, tell me in the comments which method fixed your mic. And do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and share it with anyone who needs help.